this is the world famous Masonic logo. It is the square and compass. Now there is a very interesting cryptography hidden in this logo. It in fact hides the name of the beast from the pit from the book of Revelation. The name of the beast hidden 6 times in the Masonic square and compass. First of all, notice we have the compass and we have the square, and of course these are tools used for technical drawings, especially for building whatever. And the Freemasons are known as the builders, and the Holy Bible does say that the stone that the builders rejected is now the capstone, and that is of course Jesus Christ. So let's break this cryptography down into mind-blowing pieces. First of all, you have to remember that Roman numerals and also Greek words are used by the pagans in their cryptographies. So with that in mind, let's move forward. So we have the compass and we have the square. Now, first of all, let's just look here where it crosses over. We have one X, and here again we have another X. So we have found 2 X's already in the Masonic square and compass. Now to complete the first part of the puzzle, we need to find at least 3, because that's how the pagans usually depict the name of their god Io, because you see X's are numbers. So of course Roman numerals are letters as well as numbers. So you could read that in the modern context, which is as the number 10, which you can read as letters, Io. So that actually says Io, Io so far. But where's the third one? Well, there's the first one, there's the second one, but the third one is here. 1, 2. Because, see, this is a Roman numeral for a 5. And it doesn't matter if you turn it up or put it back that way, it is still a 5. So we have 5 and 5, that is 10. So that is another X. So now we've found the name of the destroyer, the sun god, Io, because that's what Io means in Greek, it means sun. We found his name 3 times so far in the Masonic square and compass. Io, Io, Io. What else is hidden in there? As you notice here, this Masonic logo looks like an A, and it is used as an A. And it also, just this on its own, the actual compass itself is used on its own as a representation of an A. So we have A, or we have A. So we have one letter A there. What next? Well, here we have O. So we found the word now Ao. And the word Ao is another name of Apollyon, the beast from the pit from the book of Revelation. And it also means holy or saint. So far we have Io, 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 holy or saint, or you could say sun, 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 holy or saint. It doesn't end there. So as I've just said, the compass on its own is used to represent an A, as well as the compass and square together used to represent an A. So this on its own is used to represent an A, but this shape is also the Greek letter lambda. It's an L. So this is the Greek L. So now we have one more word. L, A, or if you prefer A, O. Leo. And that, Leo, in Greek means lion. You see, you can say Leo, Leos, Leo, Leos, or even Yondarin, which is a completely different word. But you can use all of these words as the word for lion in Greek. So we have the word here, Leo, lion. So we have Io, 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 holy saint, lion. Or sun, 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 holy lion. Now let's take a closer look at the top of the Masonic square and compass and take a look at the actual screw itself. Again, we find the same shape, I and O. Io, the name of the beast. Leo, Leos, Leo, Leos, Io, holy saint, lion. The name of the destroyer here in the simple square and compass logo of the Freemasons. And don't forget that Freemasons use pagan symbols. All of their symbols are pagan, and pagans by their own admission worship Helios. And Helios is just another name of Eo, Ao, Leo, Apollyon, Alexander the Great, the beast from the pit from the book of Revelation, by their own self-admission, and by their own self-admission they also practice witchcraft. So there you have it. That's what's hidden in that very simple square and compass logo.